in Nandi County following the death of a 32-year-old clinician who succumbed to COVID-19 in the line of duty. The late Dr. Victor Kipng'etich now joins the list of over 40 Kenyan medics who have fallen prey to the killer disease. And as Elvis Kosgei reports, the family is not only faced with the loss, but also a financial burden of 2 million shillings to clear hospital bills.
Relatives of Victor Kipng'etich are yet to come to terms with the death of their kin, who died last week in an Eldoret hospital. Sad events that have now become all too common in the country. Tioni was a clinical officer in charge of Kapkagaon Health Center, one of the busiest in the county. He had barely completed 2 years of employment after a 1-year internship at Kapsabet County Referral Hospital. Susan Jebet, Tioni's wife, tearfully remembers how she wed the love of her life on November 2nd, just last month. Jebet, who is a nurse at the same Kapkagaon Health Center, is now left with 2 children, aged 4 and 4 months, to fend for.
Ni uchungu kumpoteza daktari. Ndio tulikuwa tunaanza maisha. Hatukuwa tumeendelea. Ndio ilikuwa maisha tu. Ndio tulikuwa tumefanya wedding juzi tu.
Sasa mtoto amelala. Ameenda. Na sisi tunakuwa tunategemea huyo. Kila kitu ilikuwa inategemea hii. Sasa huyo mtoto ameenda. Nani atatusaidia?
And it is after the wedding that Tioni developed a respiratory tract infection. A few days later, he took a COVID-19 test after his condition failed to improve. The test confirmed his worst fears.
Ninaomba watu yote asaitie sisi na mchane ya marehemu. Iko na bill kubwa kwa hospitali ya 2 milioni.
Kwa sababu alipata hii corona akitibu wagonjwa. So is among the...
It's not enough. The family now has to contend with the hospital bill of 2 million Kenyan shillings, which has rendered them unable to bury him as his body continues to lie in a morgue in Eldoret town. Elvis Kosgei, KT News, Nandi County.
Tonight, KTN can reveal that Homa Bay County government had not remitted fallen nurse Marian Adumbo's 3 months contributions to NHIF at the time she got sick